We are live, ladies and gentlemen. Mullen stock is getting a reverse split. Last time I talked about this, I told you guys to wait for 10 cents. We are at 10 cents. We did touch it down here, but we did not get any kind of reaction. No bounce, unfortunately, for us. So I didn't buy in. Of course, I wasn't going to buy in after they just announced a reverse split a couple days ago. So unfortunately, we just have to wait until after the reverse split and see how it moves. Sometimes after a reverse split, the stock likes to run before it dumps again. So we know the pattern with Mullen. It reverse splits for the 80th time, and then it comes down nice and cheap again and rinse and repeat. It has its run-ups, and you want to take advantage of the run-ups. You really don't want to hold a bag on this one. So hopefully you're not holding a bag on it. But let's see, where is the news for the reverse split? There we go, 3 days ago. A little late to it, but I figured, it doesn't matter. I don't think anyone's going to be buying this because no one wants to be a part of this. No one wants to buy a stock and then get reverse split on the next day on September 17th. So tomorrow, fantastic. We'll see if the stock runs up during the reverse split. When the reverse split is enacted, sometimes stock they'll run, like they'll have a big pump and then a big dump, and we know that's how it is with Mullen. So be ready. Let's see what happens, but I don't expect much other than the usual reverse splits, comes down, reverse splits, comes down, reverse splits, rinse and repeat, destroying the shareholders that are in it long term. I wasn't in it. I wasn't going to be in this long term. I was waiting for 10 cents so I can buy and take advantage of any pump. I guess technically if you did buy at 10 cents, I mean it's at 12, so you could have flipped it right now for like 20% or something, but that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for 50% plus minimum. And there we go, 1 for 100. Ouch. Rest in peace, shareholders. Rest in peace, longs. I mean, I guess they're used to it at this point, right? How many times have they done a reverse split? Hundreds at this point? It's ridiculous. But hey, look, they got a big contract. On the positive side, they got a big contract, okay? Over 200 million, guys. So let's not forget that. Maybe that is a start. That is a step in the right direction. Maybe in the future, they start getting more and more contracts like that, and we can start seeing the stock eventually behave differently in terms of price action, where instead of it constantly dumping, let me switch to the monthly chart. Yikes, look at that. Instead of constantly dumping and reverse splitting to stay on the higher exchange and rinse and repeat that pattern, maybe with more big contracts like the one we got recently, maybe one day we will bottom out, find a bottom, we'll go sideways there, and we'll start at minimum, you want the stock to stop bleeding, and it just holds a bottom. And at that point, it should hold a trading range. And once you find a trading range, let me just show you Tilray. Once the stock bottoms out, guys, Tilray, as you can see here, let's switch to the daily. And let's remove this here. Let's remove this here. And there's your bottom. Very clear bottom down there under 170. I already bought in. I'm in it at 171. So I'm up already. But I'm waiting for $2 plus. But anyways, as I was saying, once a stock finds a bottom, which this one found a bottom back in June 15, 2023. So for over a year, this has held the bottom. That's what we're looking for on Mullen. And you would expect Mullen to hold a bottom at some point if it continues to get these big contracts, in my opinion. And once the bottom holds, guess what? It's just going to keep staying within a trading range until it starts performing well enough that the stock just appreciates in value and creates higher highs, higher lows over time. That's the pattern that we're looking for, of course, as a shareholder. If you are a shareholder, for me, in my case, since I'm a swing trader, I'm just waiting for a bottom. Where's the bottom on this? I want to buy the bottom. I've been buying the bottom until every single time, and you can see it goes to $2 plus every single time. So that's the beauty of a stock not constantly bleeding out. Tilray could easily just bleed out like Mullen, but it doesn't. And that's good. And that's what we're looking for with Mullen stock. We'll see if it ever happens. It's already been years of the stock bleeding. We'll see if Mullen maybe one day starts to behave like Tilray stock. And that's it for the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.